welcome to this demo video. In this session, I'll walk you through the complete manufacturing process flow in Odoo, starting from product configuration all the way to executing the work orders using the shop floor module. So let's start by configuring the product we want to manufacture. So go to manufacturing module, go to products and check product which we manufacture, a metal table. Okay. Yeah. So firstly, I'll explain you the general information of the product. So you can see the product type, like code, services, combo. You can simply check inventory by quantity, lots, unique serial number. You can update quantity on hand. You have two invoicing policy, ordered quantities, delivered quantities. You can simply add the sale price, sell taxes, cost price, purchase taxes. You can add a category for a product. After that, you can add attributes and variants like color. If you want to change color, black, silver, white. Configuration option is also available. You can configure it. You can add extra price for a particular color like black, silver, and you can add price here. Okay. You can see the cell informations given here. You can add a price list for a special customer. You can add a vendor name, quantity, unit price. Okay. You can add routes here. So you can add a replenished order and manufacture. So in the MTO process, when a sale order is confirmed, Odoo automatically triggers a purchase order or a manufacturing order based on the route set on the product. Okay. You can add the accounting informations here. Okay. So there you have no on-in quantities of the product. So we want to purchase it. Okay. After confirming the sale order. Now, next we'll define the bill of materials, which lists the components and operations. So go to products and open bill of materials. So you can see all the raw materials of the product like metal sheet, table leg, screw. You can see the quantities. Okay, I want to add 2 quantities of metal sheet, 4 quantities. I need 4 quantities of table leg and 16 screws. Okay, you can see the routes here. So we want to buy this raw material for manufacturing the product. So you can add routes as MTO and buy. Okay. And add a vendor also. You can check all the raw materials. Okay. Like add a vendor and add routes as buy and MTO. You can simply back from here. Write vendor name and you can select routes. Okay. After that, you can check the operations and work centered. So operations are the step-by-step tasks made to manufacture a product like cutting, assembling, final quality check and all. Okay. Now you have a work center. Work center are the physical places or machines where operations happen, like cutting station, welding work center, assemble work center and all. Okay. So this is how you can simply create the bill of materials. Okay, now we want to create a manufacturing order. We can simply click on new button and create manufacturing order. Like metal table. Okay. So bill of materials are automatically comes, components come, work orders, operations, work centers are automatically come. Now you can confirm this. You can see the 3 purchase buttons given here for purchasing the raw materials, because we have no quantities of the raw materials. So simply purchase the raw materials, confirm the order, and receive and validate it. Okay, now purchase the second raw material, confirm the order, receive it and validate it. Lastly, third, confirm the order, receive it and validate. Okay, so there are 3 transfers. So all transfers in done stage. Okay, this is the raw materials. Okay, now you can start the manufacturing process. So start. You can simply manually from here also you can start this, and in status in progress, and if you can done, and status are simply going to done as finished stage. Okay, you can do this in shop floor also. It shows that it is in progress. Okay, after that you can welding legs and is in progress. So this is the real duration and how much you take time to complete this manufacturing process. And you can simply, okay, so you need to complete quality check using the shop floor before marking work order as done. So you can simply go into quality check module and yeah. Okay, so yeah, you can see you have 2 options given here, quality checking for pass or fail. You can simply click on pass. Okay, yeah, you can see the product here, final assembly, production order, control point, type, team. Okay, I can refresh it. Yeah, every product, every raw materials is available here. Okay, you can see the transfers are done. After that you can, okay, I will show you the shop floor also. You can click on close production. So completing. Okay, produce all the work orders are finished. Okay, you can send the maintenance request also. Okay, so this is how you can complete the full manufacturing process flow in Odoo, from product setup to production, quality, maintenance, and shop floor execution, all within one system. Thank you.